Turanganay Tui Lomainasau, respected Talatala, Honorable Assistant Minister, respected village elders, invited guests, my ministry staffs, ladies, gentlemen, members of the media, Bula Vinaka, and a very good morning to you all. First and foremost, I wish to convey my sincere sympathies to the Vanua and the families for the recent passing of one of your Turangani Matangali. May his soul rest in peace. Secondly, I would like to thank the Vanua and the youth for this traditional welcome ceremony. Vinaka, and thank you. I'm very glad to be with you all this morning. And I'm also delighted that my Ministry of Youth and Sports is making a positive contribution towards the physical, mental, and spiritual development of the youths, athletes, and those that will use this equipment. One of the key priorities of the Fijian government is building a healthier Fiji. While we are making the necessary investment in improving our healthcare system, we also doing what we can to get our Fijians moving. Exercise is a key part of a healthy lifestyle. And one of the best and most fun ways to do that is through sports and recreational activity. Just like our youths and students present here today, I'm also very passionate about sports, rugby, and in particular soccer, being two of my favorite sports, Kemba. I also share the passion as to do other rugby and sports-loving people in Tailevu in maintaining a healthy diet and fitness. So I'm here today this morning and be able to hand over this new gym equipment so that your community and nearby communities as well can train safely while participating actively and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. However, using weight is a highly technical activity. It requires you to be trained in the theory and in practice as well. We have made this training available and we will continue to work with Weightlifting Fiji to ensure that you will have the correct technique in place so to avoid injury. But let me tell you, Fiji winning the gold medal in the Rio Olympic did not happen overnight. And there is only one way a nation as small as Fiji can dominate the world rugby scene, and that is through hard work and dedication built on our natural talent. This also can be testified by the two great sons and ambassadors from this very village. Alafareti and Nime, I believe they're here. And I would like to acknowledge his presence here as well. They have represented Fiji at the highest of sports competition and have also traveled the world, and they have also given back to the development of sports and youth in this province and the country at large. So on behalf of the Fijian government, I would like to acknowledge his contribution and would like to say thank you so much. Not everyone represents Fiji on the world stage of rugby or any sports. The equipment provided to you today is important as part of the hard work and dedication, and you now have to bring your natural talent to the gym. Sports is a great teacher. It teaches you how to work together, how to use individual skills collectively for the benefit of a team, how to preserve against great odds, and it also teaches us how to show respect in victory and in defeat. There are lessons that will help you fulfilling lives even when things might not go your way. And in particular, when the going gets tough. Fitness and athletic competition are a big part of our national life. We cannot all be Olympians, but we can all appreciate and participate in physical activity, and we all should. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, if you make changes in your lifestyle, eat healthier foods, and exercise like the one that we're going to open today in the gym, you can give yourself many more years of time with the ones you love. Please encourage all community members to work out and invite them to participate in either athletic competition or simply to maintain fitness. You could very well be saving their lives. I'm excited to see you make use of this new gym equipment and look forward to seeing athletes from Lomainasau village to continue and excel. This is just the beginning. My team will be here to oversee, and I can assure you that after overseeing the progress, and if there is the assistance required, we will support. Finally, to the young people of Tailevu, I say, dedicate yourself to keeping fit, use this equipment well, and look after it. I wish the people and all the people of Tailevu every success as I now formally hand over this equipment for your use and benefit. Thank you, and Vinaka.
Pull it up.
Naka. Naka. Okay. Wait, you still have my business. You still have my salsa.
Soca. Mato.